And the view, look at the view. This is actually a different resort altogether. What happens if you're on top of it and all of a sudden there's an earthquake?
I will not experience the earthquake because I'll be dead already.
If it's good, it's my suggestion. If it's not good, it's Madan's suggestion. Hello guys, very good morning. Today's day 2. Most probably these vlogs would be in English and because all our colleagues are not from Andhra. So today and tomorrow vlog will be mostly in English itself. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Teja's World. Hope you all are doing great. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Hey guys, this is Madan.
Hi.
Deepak. Hi Cheppu. Kiran.
Free brother.
Ma, ఏంటిది?
Each one.
What's this? Sambar vada.
We ordered you for. You want a vada?
Hi Chetna. Here we have Madan. This is
Onion rava masala dosa.
onion rava masala dosa. I'll let you know how is it. If it's good, it's my suggestion. If it's not good, it's Madan's suggestion. We've just reached Wonderla Resort. Ma? ఏమంటమ్మా?
అందరూ అదిరిపోయింది లోపలికి వెళ్ళి ఇంకెలా ఉందో ఇంకా
Hi friends.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్
Thanks for bringing us here.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
This is Navpreet from Punjab.
This is Navpreet from Punjab. Ma, what happens if you're on top of it and all of a sudden there's an earthquake?
నేను అంతవరకు ఐ విల్ నాట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ద ఎర్త్క్వేక్ బికాజ్ ఐల్ బి డెడ్ ఆల్రెడీ.
Just imagine if you're on top of it and there's an earthquake.
జస్ట్ ఇమాజినింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ మీ డై.
But you should try once.
Earthquake or that?
Arey Baba.
That is too damn slow. I don't know.
No, it's the same
slow
speed.
from here.
No, it's slow. What are you expecting? At that height, that size, you're expecting what speed? Just now our room is allotted 7th floor. Hope we'll have good view.
701 it is.
Okay. I believe we have a good view here. Okay. See, without an ND filter, this is how it's looking. This is excellent. I believe this is not Wonderla. That's not Wonderla. That's a different resort altogether. No, it's actually giving a vibe of Maldives, this resort. Arey kaadu, water villa kind of vibe. It's not Maldives though. So, let me show our room. This is a walkway. And this is our room. We have a locker, a wardrobe, a big mirror, and here we have what? Some coffee, tea, milk powders, water bottles, and a kettle. And the room is really awesome. And the view, look at the view. This is actually a different resort altogether. It's not a part of Wonderla, but it's looking really good. I don't know what's the name. I'll mention the name in the description for this resort as well. This is just opposite to Wonderla. And here we have one pool. This is for Wonderla, and we also have one more pool on the other side. This is a quick overview of the room. Washroom is also really good, well maintained. Obvious. When you're staying at such resorts, it will be good. Madan is unpacking his stuff. Man, that resort is really good.
Huh?
That one.
Resort, right? Which one is that?
No idea. We'll see.
I sold this to my wife. That
This
is
looks
part
like Maldives vibe. Those beach villas.
of- Yeah.
This entire thing is pool.
Individual pools.
Private pools.
Private pools. Awesome.
Your daughter bought this.
Oh, beautiful.
His daughter gave this watch as gift. Kiran, shall we go for lunch? Yes. We'll quickly go grab something. I'll show you what do we have for lunch now. See you there.
for 5 minutes. I hope the teams remember their shapes. Both the teams are making triangles, not the square.
Oh.